So let's move on with the next part. Write down the third type of candlestick now. Third type? Third only, na? Yes. It's a hammer. Thor. Thor, no? Most favorite. No, but who is that? Thor only, na? Thor. I've not seen that movie. I'm not a fan of all that, whatever. Avengers, yeah. My son told me, do you know what happened in the end game? I said, I don't know what is end game. Okay. So hammer candle is again a very powerful form of a bullish reversal pattern. Okay. So you can imagine something like this if you have gone to any shopping mall where there is a fun zone or a gaming zone. Many malls in Pune where we have gaming zones. And there is this game that there's a big round which is kept here. So it's something like this. There's a big round here and it's like a big stick which is kept here. And it has some levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we have to do is we have to hit this part, this part. Okay. If we hit this, then there is a barometer inside this or whatever. It goes higher as per with what strength you have hit it. If you hit it very strongly, it goes much higher. If you hit it like slowly, it goes a little bit higher. Okay, remember this. That is the work a hammer candle does. If you see a hammer at the, very good, again that is important, at the end of the bottom of a down move or a down trend, more powerful again, down trend, at the bottom of that, then this is what is going to happen. Just remember that shopping mall example. If we hit it hard, if it's a good hammer pattern, it is going to go up. Is this okay? So let us check out what is a hammer pattern, whether it is, how it is formed and whatnot. So the hammer formation is created when open, high and close are roughly the same price. He's asking what has happened. Open, high and close. Let us say something like this. This is my open. Okay, wait. This is my open. This is my close. And this is only my high. Okay. There is a long lower shadow twice the length of the real body. Okay. So you will have to understand what is body and what is shadow. That is why our first 2 days were important. We have learned what is body of a candle. We have learned what is a shadow of the candle. So if I draw it something like this, tell me, does this qualify as a hammer? No. Why? The shadow is not twice long as compared to the body of the candle. Can I say this? I'm sorry. Can I say like this is a hammer? Yes. You're saying, ma'am, it's more than twice. Higher the better. Okay, it's going to be harder. Okay, so at least twice this should be as compared to the body of the candle. If it is going higher, that's okay. If it is bigger in length, it's okay. Fair enough? Have you understood? What is one more important point? Hammer is most effective. It is if it occurs at the bottom of the downward trend. Okay. Why am I telling you all candlesticks patterns which are occurring near the down move or a downtrend? See, everyone, whenever the markets are going down, you are feeling like, ab kya karenge? Markets are going down. So, in fact, you should feel something like exciting, na? Okay, downtrend is happening. Yes. Now I have to check out for either a bullish engulfing pattern or a morning star or a hammer. Somewhere near the bottom. Is this okay? It is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. So basically, don't read it like it's a bullish pattern. Immediately first understand it's a reversal pattern. Whatever trend is going on, that trend is going to be reversed. And which trend is going to start? Bullish trend, uptrend is going to start. That's why we call it as a bullish reversal. Many people feel that the bullish is going to reverse. Exactly ulta interpretation. Wrong, opposite interpretation. So first we say it's a reversal pattern. Which trend is going to reverse? Bearish trend is going to reverse and we are going to enter into a bullish pattern now. Is this okay? Confirmation of reversal is to be taken before taking any position. Okay, like yesterday, I guess we were talking about this. Confirmation of patterns is very important. Confirmation of candles is very important. I'll tell you a simple example for this. For example, it's a downtrend. Okay, and I see, I'm sorry, can't even draw a rectangle properly. Is this a hammer? Almost, but not a convincing hammer though. Okay, because body is not like a, maybe twice, but it's like you're not that damn sure what is happening. Okay, had it been even this, okay, now is this a clear-cut hammer? Buy? No, wait. Hammer, the moment you see hammer, yeah, I'm going to buy. No, wait for the confirmation. Confirmation comes when a bullish candle is formed after the hammer. If this happens, it's a great chance that it's going to go up. Okay. And what price did I tell? Okay, Mahindra and Mahindra, was it? Let us just check this. Even I don't remember what example I had given. Yeah. No. Mahindra and Mahindra. Okay, this one. Right. It was a daily pattern, no? It's not an exact hammer. Okay. Oh, wow. Wait. Some type of candle could be a confusing candle for sure. Just check this out. 1, 2, 3. I'm not. Is this select layout? I've never drawn a rectangle on this chart. The paid version, it comes out right here. Kidhar hai? This one? Okay. Here? ट्रेंड लाइन का मेन्यू में okay, for simplicity I'll just, acha, what is this? I don't know if I can draw. Okay, I can't draw it here, but whatever 3 candles I've told to observe, these are, don't check out the last one. Okay, wait, a little bit here. Problems of a mouse not working. Okay, can you see this actually? This one, the first one, second one, third one. Tell me what does it look like? What does it look like? Morning star, close to a morning star, but did it complete itself? No. Why? Let's check this out. Was this a big bullish? Followed by a doji. But the third one was not a big bullish. Third one should have been a big bullish, na? See, this one was a big bearish. This one was a doji. This one is not a big bullish. And here you can see, because the third one is not formed, it's still not convincingly going higher. Correct? So it was a good example, in fact, for a wrong morning star call. Is this understood? Yes. Which one? This hammer. This one. Oh, this one. Next to this. Morning star ke yahan pe? Okay, this one. Okay, wait. Right. So this is perfect. Yeah. What you're saying is absolutely right. So was this one, I'll remove my cursor once I'm done. Is this a standalone hammer? Yes or no? Is this a standalone hammer? The third last candle that you can see on the screen? Is it a hammer? 101% yes, it does qualify as a hammer. But we call this as an inverted hammer. Same. Okay. Like, ulta pakad liya na? Hammer, inverted hammer. So even you try to remember this like this, that let's say if you want to open a lid which is like very tight, a typical steel can or some kind of a aluminum can which you have in your house, and you want to just open the lid, you put a lever inside and just try to just do this. Again, what is going to pop up? The lid is going to pop up, it's going to go up. So just try to remember it like this. May it be a hammer or may it be an inverted hammer. Okay, just try to check these patterns. Of course, I'm not telling you what is inverted hammer right now. We are going to do this, just wait for some time. Inverted hammer could have a different interpretation as well. Could have a different interpretation. We're going to talk about that. Okay. Is it followed by a big bullish candle? Big bullish candle. Is it followed by a big bullish candle? No. Big bearish hai ye. This is not big bullish. If you have a big bullish candle, then you get a hammer confirmation, and then you're going to take the trade. Only because the hammer is formed are you going to take a trade? Answer is no. Is this all right? Yes. Okay, you have to tell me which is a false signal, which is a correct signal. Maybe if we do it in a PPT also, it'll be better. I'll dictate a few things to you, but first understand this. This is again a chart. It's a moving averages chart. What has happened here? Can you see a price decline? Yes, so this is a down move or a down trend. I want a correct answer. I'll wait for 20-30 seconds. You have to convincingly tell me, is it a down move or a down trend, and why? You can raise your hands. How many feel it's a down move? Okay. How many of you feel it's a down trend? Monge like, let everyone answer, huh? Indecisive. Mangesh is doji. Indecisive. It is a very clear-cut down move. Why? Higher high? Higher high? Where is the higher high broken convincingly? What is the third high? Higher high. Correct or not? Okay, even if I say this was formed later, madam, how do I know what happens here? Agreed. Okay. When could it have qualified for a downtrend? See, so it is like this. 1, 2, 3. Again. So what did I tell you? Sorry. What did I tell you? When is it a downtrend or an uptrend? It's higher highs and higher lows. Lower highs and lower lows. It's not or. Both have to be satisfied. So what happened here? As I mentioned, did this happen? Had this happened, then what can I say? Oh, a lower high is formed for sure. But even a lower low is not formed in this case. In my drawing. Correct? Are you understanding? One more time. High, high. And if I draw, okay, wait. If I draw something like this, okay, high. Now what has happened? a lower low and a lower high. Correct? Then this could have been a down trend which might have started. But what has happened here? Is the high taken down? High has not been taken down. Is this clear? Yes. So this was a clear-cut case of a down move. So in fact, this is like a wait and watch scenario. It's a down move. Let me try to catch the fish towards the end of the down move. I can't say it can be 100% bottom fishing, but at least towards the end of the down move. Where can I get a confirmation? Number one, see I've drawn here also. Is this candle? Shall I zoom if you want? Okay. What has happened? Can you see a hammer? I've written everything. Is this a price decline first of all? Yes, this is a clear-cut case of price decline. As I mentioned, either end of down move or a downtrend. In this case, it was a down move. Okay, even if you went wrong right now, the price, your decision is not going to matter as such. Anyways, it was either a down move or a downtrend. Fair enough. So, decline, number one. Number two, you can see a big hammer. Correct? What is the next one? A big bullish candle. Can you see one more pattern? If I don't consider this as a hammer and if I say this is a little bit like doji, is this also like a morning star? Big bullish, a little bit indecisive, and a big bearish. I'm sorry, अरे उल्टा बोल रही यार. A big bearish, indecisive, big bullish. Okay, double confirmations, and then what happens to the price? This is not okay. So from here, shot up, a small down move, zoom. This was, I don't remember. I've taken the screenshot, but I don't remember. I've just trimmed it. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, sometimes while cropping, because some advertisements come even in that chart sometimes. To crop those advertisements, maybe I just took out the name. So is this okay? Have you understood it? For sure. Any doubt in this one? So shall we write quickly for hammer? Write down. Okay, wait. Before we write something for a hammer, let's understand this. We are going to talk about all these patterns. Whatever. Yeah, we are going to talk about that. Yeah. Just have a look at this. Which one gives a fake signal? Is it 1 or 2? Don't shout out the answer. Okay, of course, we are presuming, I've just taken again a small screenshot of a big chart. Okay, so assume that this is a down move or a downtrend. Which one gives a fake signal? I'm not talking about a correct signal. Fake signal. Wrong signal. Wait. Let's check out the definition of hammer. Out of this, from left, if I count from left, which number candle is a hammer candle? Okay, in the first one, yahi se shuruaat hai. Let's start from here. Okay, in the first case, out of these 5, which one is a hammer candle? Third one is like a hammer candle. Again, as I mentioned, see, ideally, theoretically, this till here. Okay, sometimes little bit here and there is okay. Okay, so this could be like a doji also. Like a doji, a little bit like a hammer. What has happened after this candle is very important. What happened after this candle? It is a bearish candle which has formed. And which candle should have been formed? A big bullish should have been formed. So is this going to give you a good reversal? No, this is a fake signal. What happened in the second case? Okay, is this like a hammer? Like a hammer, agreed. Okay, again this one, I may say, okay, I got a bullish candle after this, but was it a very convincing bullish candle? No. Okay, so this was a clear-cut fake signal. This is like a wait and watch scenario. I'm not going to jump into this because I did not get a convincing candle afterwards. Is this okay? See, I'm trying to make, I'm not giving you a very easy way right now. I'm giving you a hard way to learn things. Because I'll tell you, if I go on showing only correct patterns, then you will not identify the wrong patterns. Okay? So like when I learned, I was like, when I learned for the first time, teacher used to tell all the correct patterns. And like, for example, morning star, they taught immediately morning star and correct pattern. Then bullish engulfing, immediately bullish engulfing correct. And I thought I mastered technical analysis. When I tried to do it on my own, I took many wrong calls. Because I was not in a position to understand which one gives the fake signal. So I'm trying you to train in both ways. I'm not going to give you correct examples every time. There are going to be wrong examples. And marginally wrong examples and way too wrong examples also. Like the first one was marginally wrong or way too wrong answer. Way too wrong because it was not even followed by a bullish candle. It was a bearish candle to follow. So this is like scrap. Don't even look at it. This one is marginally wrong because it was a bullish but not a big bullish. Is this agreed? Have you understood this? Any type of chart, that's okay. Works better in a daily chart though. Better. It'll give you quick signal in a daily chart. Any doubt till here? No? So which types of candles we have done till here? Let's understand. Have I dictated anything for morning star as of now? So for hammer? No. Okay, let's write for hammer. It is formed when open, comma, high and close are, what is the exact word and important word here, are roughly the same price. Are roughly the same price. Okay, why did I emphasize on this one? Theoretical hammer, compulsory basis, this one, compulsory. Okay, can you find such hammers in real life also? Obviously yes. But you will not find a hammer exactly like this every single time. Could it be something like this? Is this also a hammer? Absolutely. That is why what is the important one? They are roughly the same. A little bit here and there should be okay. But of course, what else do we have to check? Is the shadow twice or more than that of the body of the candle? So second important point. Write down. The shadow, second important point for a hammer, the shadow should be twice the length of what? As compared to what? Of the body. So higher the better, yes or no? Higher the better, no? So longer shadow is always going to be fair enough. Twice need not be again exact twice. Twice or more than that. Okay? Yeah, so we are not talking about inverted hammers right now. Wait. Okay, but still I'll not talk about inverted hammers because then might create confusion. It's a little bit different type of a pattern. So wait, we'll go slowly. Next one is hammer is most effective if it occurs at the bottom of a downward trend. Write down the next point. Most effective. If it occurs at the bottom of the downward trend. And considered as what? It's considered as a bullish reversal pattern. It is going to show you a good reversal after this. Considered as a bullish reversal pattern. And the most important point, which is the last point, what is that? Confirmation is to be taken. Confirmation is to be taken into bracket. What is the confirmation? Immediate next candle will be a bullish candle, and bigger the better again. So into confirmation into bracket followed by big bullish candle. What did I say? Confirmation is to be taken into bracket, big bullish candle should be the immediate next candle. Should be the immediate next candle. Okay?